Hello guys, welcome back to ITPK with one more basic video tutorial for basic users. In this video, I will guide you how we can convert a PDF file or a PDF document to a Google Doc. So I have this PDF file that is opening by default with Microsoft Edge and I want to convert this PDF file to Google Docs. So let's go ahead and start the conversion. So first of all, you have to open up a browser, the browser you are using for your work, and make sure you are logged in into your browser with your Gmail ID. So before starting, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, commenting, and hitting the notification button for more interesting videos. So make sure you are logged in into your Google account in the browser. So if you are logged in into Google account in your browser, you will see all these applications here, right? In all these applications, you will also find the drive, Google Drive, right? This is provided by Google with 15 GB of free space. So directly go to the drive, right? You can also sign in to Google Drive by typing here Google Drive sign in. The URL to Google Drive is drive.google.com. So once you are logged in into Google Drive, right? I'm logged in into Google Drive by the URL and also by going to Google Apps from here, right? So once you are logged in into Google Drive, let's go to new and let's go to file upload. And here we want to upload that PDF file from the desktop and the file name is even budget file. Let's open this. This will take few seconds to upload into the Google Drive that depends upon your internet speed. Okay, this is uploaded into Google Drive now. So once you got this file uploaded to your Google Drive, you can directly click on the file and let's go to preview option first. And in the preview option, you would see here the option that is saying open with Google Docs. So let's say we want to open this file into Google Docs format and we have some other formats here, but we need it to be opened with Google Docs here. Let's open this file with Google Docs and now we are going to get this file into Google Docs. That's perfect. So if you have a Google Doc application on your computer, you can just download this file. You could open this file with Google Docs onto your computer. That's it about today's simple tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.